Okay, so you're in Algebra 1 now. It's time to get all fancy. So for a while, your teacher would just say something like, take the number and add 2 to it. Take this number and add 2 to it. And so you kind of got used to thinking that way. Okay, I'm going to take whatever number my teacher gives me, I'm going to add 2 to it. She gives me a 7, I'm going to add 2 to it. I got 9. Then you moved into, in middle school, looking at it like this. Instead of writing all those words, take the number and add 2, you looked at it like x plus 2. And so if you take computer programming, which I hope everybody does, you would see like this function name called add2, and then x is the number that you're going to put in, like into the function machine, which is the same thing as saying x plus 2. So over here I have a multiply by 5 function, and it takes a number and it multiplies by 5, so that just means 5 times x. So we're going to call that, just because I don't want to keep writing multiply by 5, I'm going to put f for 5. So f of x means take x and multiply it by 5. Take whatever number I give you and multiply it by 5. Okay, I don't know what number you're going to give me, so I'll just put an x in there for now. So, and then this over here, this add 2 one, we'll call that a for add. Add 2 to some number. So I don't know what number you're going to give me yet, so I'll just say it's x plus 2. But it means add 2 to whatever number you specify. So let's do an example now. So here I say find a parentheses 7. But what that really means is it just means, remember the a function meant add 2. So it's whatever number is given to it, which is a 7, you're going to add 2. So I'd say a7 is equal to 7 plus 2, which is 9. All right, try this one. Now I'm saying find f4. So first thing you think about is, which one of these am I going to use? Am I going to use this one or this one? And since it says find f4, I'm going to choose this one because this is the f. And 4 is the number that I'm going to use, and f means multiply by 5, so 5 times 4. So f4 equals 5 times 4 is the number I specified, which is 20. And that's how you use function notation. It's just a different way of writing things. Some people say that it's another way of writing y. So if you don't like that explanation, if I say f of x equals x plus 2, that's the same as saying y equals x plus 2. But when I ask you to find f of 7, it means to plug 7 in for x. And so it would mean the same thing, 7 plus 2. So whichever way works for you, use that. Or if you think of your own way, please share it with me. I'm always interested to see new ways of doing things. But at any rate, there's lots of problems in your book. You can find them, let's see, anywhere from 157, 166, 168, 188. See your topics list for more problems like this.